Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about simple but very important idea in art, why less detail often create stronger paintings. When we start learning to paint, many of us believe that more details mean a better painting. We think that if we paint every leaf, every stone, every window and every tiny shadow, the painting will look more realistic and more impressive. But as we continue our artistic journey, we discover something interesting. Many of the strongest and most beautiful paintings are not of full details. In fact, they often contain very little detail. This may sound surprise, but less detail can make a painting more meaningful. Why is that? The first reason is that less detail helps us focus on what is important. Imagine looking at a painting where every part is painted with the same amount of detail. Your eyes may not know where to look. Everything is comparing for attention. But when an artist keeps some areas simple and add detail only where it matters, the viewer's eye is naturally guided to the main subject. It is like a speaker using a microphone. If everyone in the room is speaking at the same volume, nobody stand out. But when one voice becomes clear, people listen. In the same way, a painting becomes stronger when the artist decides where the viewer should look. The second reason is that less detail creates a sense of atmosphere. When we stand on a mountain, look across a valley, or watch a distant forest, we do not see every detail. Nature itself simplifies things. Distant objects become soft, edges disappear, color blend together. If we paint everything sharp and clear, we may lose that feeling of distance and atmosphere. By leaving some areas soft and simple, we can create depth and mood. This is especially important in watercolor. Watercolor has a natural beauty that comes from softness, flowing edge, and transparent wash. Sometimes adding too much detail can take away that freshness. The third reason is that less detail allows the viewer to participate. Art is not only about showing everything, it is only about suggesting. When viewers look at a painting, their imagination fills in missing information. A few brushstrokes can suggest a crowd of people. A simple shape can suggest a distant house. A few dark marks can suggest rock, trees, or birds. The viewers become part of the experience. This is one of the magical qualities of watercolor. We give hints and the viewer complete the story. The fourth reason is that less detail creates a stronger emotional impact. Think about some of your favorite paintings. Often, what you remember is not the detail. You remember the light, you remember the mood, you remember the feeling. Maybe it was the peaceful atmosphere of a village. Maybe it was the beauty of snow mountain. Maybe it was the glow of sunlight on water. These emotions stay with us for longer than tiny details. A painting should not only describe a place, it should make people feel something, and sometimes simplicity helps us achieve that more effectively. Another important point is that detail should serve the painting, not control it. Detail is not bad. The problem comes when we add detail simply because we can. Every brushstroke should have a purpose. Before adding more detail, it is helpful to ask, does this improve the painting? Or am I adding this because I am afraid to stop? Many paintings become weaker because the artist continues working after the painting has already said enough. Learning when to stop is one of the most difficult lessons in watercolor. I also still remind myself of this lesson regularly. Nature also teaches the idea when we look at a waterfall, we do not count every drop of water. When we admire a sunset, we do not study every cloud. When we stand before a mountain, we do not examine every rock. We experience the whole scene. We feel its beauty. As artists, our goal is not always to paint every detail. Our goal is to capture the essence of the subject, to capture the feeling, to capture the moment. One exercise that can help us to paint with fewer brushstrokes. Try simplifying shape. Try grouping detail together. Try focusing on the big values before thinking about small details. You may discover that your paintings become clear and more expressive. At first, this can feel uncomfortable. We often worry that viewers will think the painting is unfinished. But simplicity is not the same as incompleteness. A simple painting can still be meaningful, elegant, and memorable. In fact, achieving simplicity is often harder than adding details. It requires observation, confidence, and careful decision making. As the famous saying goes, simplicity is the ultimate quality. In conclusion, less detail often create a stronger painting because it helps us focus attention, create atmosphere, engage the viewer imagination, and express emotion more effectively. Detail certain has its place, but not every idea need to be explained. Sometimes a few well-placed brushstroke can say more than hundred of carefully painted details. So the next time you paint, remember that your job is not to paint everything. Your job is to paint that matter most. Thank you so much and happy painting.